Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Tesla Model 3 tire only way. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and turning off traffic modes. Block the opposite wheels and loosen lug nuts slightly with the correct socket. Position the jack at the factory, lift point and raise until the tire clears the ground. Remove lug nuts, swap the spare or new tire, hand thread nuts, lower slowly, then torque nuts to manufacturer spec. After initial preparation, loosen lug nuts while the car is still grounded to keep stability. Raise the vehicle at the specific jack point until the tire is off the ground by a few inches. Remove lug nuts completely using the star pattern and keep them in a safe spot. Pull the wheels straight off the hub, checking brake rotor and hub surfaces for debris or damage before installing the replacement wheel. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Pick darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable, comfy wear while changing tires or commuting. They hold up to heavy use and feel great under mechanics boots. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the new wheel onto the hub, aligning bolt holes and hand-threading lug nuts to avoid cross-threading. Lower the jack slowly until the tire makes light contact with the ground, then tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to seat the wheel evenly. Fully lower the car and use a torque wrench to tighten to Tesla recommended torque. Recheck torque after a short drive and inspect for any unusual noise or vibration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.